Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wallpaper remover that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Wagner Spraytech Steam Wallpaper Remover. When it comes to cleaning surfaces, whether it's the wall or floor, tiles, or concrete, Wagner is a go-to option. The Wagner Spraytech Steam Cleaner itself is an impressive piece of tech that gets the job done effectively the first time. Combining 120 volts of electric power, internal hot water storage, a 915 power steam generator, and a jet nozzle, the Wagner releases pressurized steam onto stuck wallpaper. In turn, it effortlessly releases the hold of the strongest adhesives out there. Yes, it's that simple. Just water. There's no need for chemicals that will leave your surfaces discolored or even residue that may affect pets or children. This is all thanks to the pressure release mechanism and heating system capable of heating up water to a temperature of 212 degrees Fahrenheit within 10 minutes. As such, the job is done faster than it would be with non-pressurized devices. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Wagner Spraytech 715 Power Wallpaper Remover. The Wagner 715 Power Wallpaper Remover is an efficient, versatile cleaner that's quite popular among professionals, cleaners, and homeowners alike. This is all thanks to its easy-to-operate features and affordability. Like other Wagner impressive designs, this one also adopts cheap, readily available water as its a cleaning agent. Just run simple tap water into the tank and off you go after heating. What's more, the Wagner 715 is not only portable and lightweight, but it's also quite easy on the pockets. More so, this wallpaper remover shines in terms of efficiency, with a water reservoir tank that can take nearly a gallon of water and can conveniently discharge steam for 70 minutes straight before the need to refill it arises. Now that's convenient usage without refill interruptions. Furthermore, this chemical-free cleaner is equally designed to accommodate multiple nozzle cleaning attachments that turn this device into a versatile one-stop unit. At number 3, we have the Bates Choice Wallpaper Remover. When you are on a budget, the most basic yet effective wallpaper remover you can get is the scraper. It might seem like a crude tool, but make no mistake, it does the job if you can position it well and at the right angle. One of the advantages of scrapers, you'll probably agree, is that they are easy to use right out of the box as long as it's for a small section of a wall. What's more, they don't require any chemical agent, electricity, or even water. Furthermore, whether you are a professional or just the handy guy around the house, you'll find the Bates Choice Wallpaper Scraper highly useful for a whole bunch of things besides scraping wallpaper off the wall. Made out of quality high-carbon steel, the Bates Choice Wall Scraper can withstand pressure and not bend under use. That's not all, high carbon also ensures the blade is rust-resistant, so you'll be using this for a long time. The 1.5 mm thick blade is also designed as a multifunctional tool. So, asides the horizontal top adapted to scrape off wallpaper, paint, and caulk, the side of the blade is also curved, making it suitable as a bottle opener. At number 2, we have the WP Chomp 52016 Wallpaper Remover. Are you on a tight budget yet you want to get that old wallpaper off your wall? Not to worry, the WP Chomp 52016 Wallpaper Scraper is what you need. In case you've never used this kind of tool to strip off wallpaper before, it's normal to wonder how you'll get it done at the right angle. After all, the aim is to minimize damage and scratches. Altogether, WP Chomp designed this one for professionals and the do-it-yourself folks. With this handy contraption, don't need to position the tool at an angle to get the wallpaper at its edge. Thankfully, the blade is already pre-fitted at an angle and fitted with an ergonomic handle for easy stripping of wallpaper. And in terms of durability, the blade is made out of quality steel that comes sharpened for immediate out-of-the-box use. You can also resharpen if blades become too blunt for continuous use. And finally, at number 1, we have the Goplus Wallpaper Remover. With a reservoir tank capacity of 4.5 liters resulting in an impressive continuous operation of almost 3 hours, Goplus Wallpaper Cleaner is what you need for your wallpaper removing jobs. It's even better than this device works on large walls that normally take tons of time. For this purpose, the Goplus cleaner adopts simple tap water as its cleaning agent. As such, there's no toxic chemicals released, no need for a respirator mask, and also no need to keep pets or children away. Just power it up after filling the 4.5-liter tank with water and off you go once the steam is ready. The Goplus can equally heat water to a temperature of 212 degrees Fahrenheit using a maximum time of 20 minutes. With the steam released, multiple layered wallpaper stands no chance. Furthermore, it's a little bulky at first glance, but waits till you pick it up, it's surprisingly lightweight. That's good news if you have several foot-long walls to clean. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.